Say hello. You gonna say hello?
No.
No. Okay. Lily doesn't want to say hello today. Hi guys, I'm Rainy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be having a go at doing some Christmas crafts. Yay! What do you think?
What do you think? We got to use the scissors.
We've got to use some scissors today. So we are going to make some Christmas wreaths, some DIY Christmas wreaths from paper plates and cupcake cases. So all you're going to need is a Christmas plate of some description. So it doesn't have to be, it could be a white plate, you can paint it green or paint it whatever colour you like. Some cupcake cases in whatever colours that you like. We've got some green spotty ones and some pink spotty ones because I didn't have any red spotty ones to go with my theme. So they're pink and green. And then you're just going to want some string or yarn or whatever you want to call this to hang it with, and then some Pritt stick, a hole punch and some scissors. And that's it guys. So I have already, let's not put it in your mouth, I've already cut one out, so I'm going to put this one out the way, and this is going to be our template for our wreath. I'm going to just do this bit, I'm going to do this bit, and I'm going to put a little hole in the top of my plate, and that will just be where I will thread, if you see that, I'm going to thread my string through so that we can hang it. So from this point onwards, what you want to do is take your cupcake cases, and I've already made a bunch of these already, but just to show you is to just cut it in quarters. So I'm going to fold it along there. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to look pretty. Just that way, and then across that way. So you've got some quarters. Once you've done that, what you want to do is, as you can probably see, the inside, the pattern isn't as pretty as it is on the other side. So the one side is really green, the other side is kind of just sort of faded, I guess. So I want a pretty green bit on the outside, and if I was to stick this down now, if I stuck it the other way around, it would kind of be, well, I suppose you could get that effect if you wanted to, but if you just press along the crease and turn it the other way around, now you've got the right side of the design sticking up. So that's it, we've already made a bunch of these ahead of time, so let's bring them. Apparently Doggy has got to help us today. What's Doggy's name?
Doggy.
Woof Woof. So Woof Woof is joining us today. We got Woof Woof a couple of weeks ago. Lily loves him, he's got to go everywhere with her. So sweetheart.
Lily's got white Doggy.
All we're going to do is stick these round however you want to. So I'm going to put some Pritt stick. Oh, did you want to put some Pritt stick? So you've got to stick and go glue, 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 glue. Put a generous amount on. Pop it down for a minute. Well then, do you want to stick that one? Yeah, you want to stick it like that? That's there. Should we stick it so that they're all facing into the plate? And then, should we stick one of these ones? So shall we do it here? So basically you're just going to stick one on top of the other. So that piece that we have, what would have been the bottom of the cupcake case, make that one be the one that sticks down. And then you stick it, press it, good stick, stick the stick on that bit, a big press, and you can fan them out a bit. And then we're going to keep going. You want to do some over there? Why don't we carry on from here? So you do glue along there, wonderful. And then pop it down, and then can you stick that one?
We're going to make it
Gonna make a wreath, aren't we? And
we're going to make a Christmas tree.
It's a bit like a Christmas tree, it's a Christmas wreath. So at the moment, obviously you can see quite a lot of the silver of the plate, hence why it's good to have a plate that if you see it through, it doesn't matter, so it's pretty. But you will find that as you cover it, most of this will get covered, you won't notice it, so we'll just twizzle those around a bit so you don't see it so much. Okay, Lily, you can do this. Do you want me to glue when you stick? So if I put some glue, you want to stick that one? Yeah, well done. So we just move that up. I stick another one. You do a green one. Come on then. Good girl, well done. So we just turn it around, give it a good press. And then we're going to do this one here. And at the moment it doesn't look like a lot. And obviously you can do whatever you like, so if you want to stick down some of the edges because you think that they are sticking out a little bit, then you can do that too.
We're making Christmas tree.
Well, we're making a Christmas decoration, aren't we? So,
Yeah.
oh, we're not making a Christmas decoration. Apparently we're not. Go on then, pop it down. So we're going to turn that one in that way. Go on then, you do it.
No.
No? You want Mummy to do it?
Yeah, Mummy to
Stick it. Do you want to do the glue? You want to do there? No. Oh, you do? Go on then. Yeah, well done. And a little bit just on the piece of paper, on the thing as well, just there. Do this. Good stuff. So, you stick it?
stick it.
Yeah, you want me to stick it? Okay, Lily.
Not my Christmas.
Lily, this is you. You're supposed to be doing this. I'm going to put a long line of glue. Pink one. Here, Bean. You want to touch the glue? It's sticky, isn't it? You stick it down. Do a good stick. Whee! That's it. So we're just going to keep going around and doing that until we've got it all covered. And then as you get towards the ends, we're just going to slide one underneath the other. So we need another pink one, and then Lily's going to do another green one for Mummy. There. And then you stick that green one for me. Good girl, really well done, that's it, right there. You want another one? We need another pink one. Can we have the one that Doggie's looking after? I think we've got just enough space for another pink one and another green one.
We've got
another pink one.
Doggie's got a green one.
He has got a green one, hasn't he? So let's take Doggie's one. Can we put Doggie's one under here? So when you get near the end, if the glue hasn't quite set in place, you just need to lift it slightly. And then that is literally it. So we find the hole. So I think that looks really cute. And you can put it over her face and go, oh, look how pretty she looks. So that is it for that part. Now there's one last little detail because no wreath is complete without a bow. So we are going to take one of our pink cases and again we are going to cut it in half. Doggy can have one, you can give Doggy one. And then we're going to cut it in half again. And then, just like before, we're going to just one. Yeah, Doggy can have that one. So, just like before, we're going to turn that base around so the base is up the other way. So instead of being that way round, you're going to turn it around so it's this way, and you're just going to poke that base up the other direction so it's down that way now. And then taking your two new pieces, it doesn't squish actually, you have to twist it from the bottom. So what we're going to do is put a little bit of glue on the bottom of one of these triangles. And then, Lily, can you stick that one on top, like that? Stick it down, so we now stuck them together. So we've basically stuck them. If you didn't see, I'll just pull it apart again so you can see. So you've got the two triangles and I've just glued them so that you've got almost like a little fan. And then, for the last really fun bit...
We need that mirror.
That mirror, this is a hole punch. And we put a little hole in our plate so that we can hang up our Christmas decoration, our Christmas wreath. So we're going to put a little bit of glue in the middle, and like Lily said, we do actually have a sparkly green pom-pom, and we're going to place that in the middle of our bow. Can you do that? So in the middle, right in the middle, give it a good press. Press. And that is our pom-pom bow in the middle there. And we're going to now stick it onto our wreath. Now, I think we're going to probably place it at the bottom. So there's our hole to hang it up with. Yeah, I think we're going to stick it right down the bottom here. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue just along these bits here. And then we're going to stick on our pom-pom bow. You want to break it? What, you want it cut in half? Yeah, when we do these scissors, we've got some special craft scissors. So honestly, if you're doing it with toddlers or young children, it is better to use craft scissors. I'm just not too worried because I'm doing all the cutting for this one. Alright, Lily, and then you can play with that one. And then our final step is to take some string and cut a little bit off. Obviously you can use some festive string. I didn't have any festive string in the house, so I am just using what we've got lying around, which is some kind of packing parcel string type stuff. And I'm going to just put a little knot in that, and that should be our beautiful Christmas wreath. So that, guys, is it. There we go, guys. Hopefully you can see how cool that is and how pretty. And you can put it around little faces to look so cute. So that is our Christmas wreath. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial, and let me know what you think. If you have a go at making this really cool, really cute little festive wreath with your little ones. Let me know how you go on in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And basically that's it. So don't forget, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I'm going to say bye.
Bye.
Bye! Yay! You could go.
Wait.
You're clever.